Hello guys. You're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Joy Steve. I'm back again. All right guys, if you're my returning subscriber, you are most welcome. I'm so grateful. I am always grateful to have you guys back on my channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. And if you are new to this channel, please don't leave without clicking on that subscribe button below. Please, it's very important to keep on enjoying with this girl here, with this lady here, to keep on enjoying all the goodies I have in this channel. Please, you need to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share, always give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and let's be family. All right, so today I'm going to be talking on something that everyone is going to benefit from. Yes, yeah, I said everyone is going to benefit from it because it's something I know each and every one of us has. Today we'll be talking on how to monetize your Facebook account. Yes, are you surprised? You can actually make money from Facebook. So if you would like to hear it, if you would want to start earning from Facebook, I know all of us goes to Facebook on daily basis, just uncountable times in a day. Okay, so this Facebook can actually pay you. You can actually earn through Facebook. So if you would want to know how you can be monetized, how you can earn monthly on Facebook, how you can get paid through having a Facebook account, please keep on watching this video until the end because you really need to know it. All right, so all right guys, you are welcome back. I know most of us have a Facebook account. We use Facebook on daily basis. I myself, I know how many times I use Facebook. The truth is that you can monetize your Facebook account. Yes, you can earn money through Facebook. So how do we get started? The first thing you should do is to create a page. You are supposed to have a Facebook page. A Facebook page is different from your normal Facebook account. All right, we all have our normal Facebook account where people send friend requests to us, we accept. Where we send friend requests to people, they accept, we are friends. They post their birthdays, anything they are celebrating, we comment on it and we post the comment on it. That is the normal Facebook account that everyone, each and every one of us has. All right, and that one, you are not permitted to have more than 5,000 friends. So that one is our normal Facebook account. But the one you can monetize is a Facebook page. You will create a page under your Facebook account. So when you go to your Facebook page, you look by the side, you are going to see an icon that looks like this. Okay, you touch there. When you touch there, you will see other things like I'm just showing you. You are going to see your friends, groups, memories, pages. Yeah, so on the pages, if you already have a page, you're going to see your page account. If you do not have a page, just click on it, create a page, use any name you want. You can as well decide to answer the name you're using on your account, but create a page, fill in the details there, and then you have a page. When you have a page, the difference between your normal Facebook account and the page is that, like I said before, in your normal Facebook account, you send friend requests to people and they accept, and people also send a friend request to you and you accept. But on the page, no. People get to see your page, like it, and follow you. Okay, so I don't know, I believe most of us have been getting notification on Facebook these days. This person invited you to like her page. This person invited you to like his page. Yes, that is a Facebook page account, and that is the one that can be monetized. When you have it, you can be earning monthly on Facebook. So when you create a page, sometimes they are going to give you an option of sharing it to all your friends on Facebook because you created it under your account. So it can definitely link or connect to everyone that is your friend on Facebook. So if you choose to share your with your friends on Facebook, when you create a page, they will give you an option to share it to your friends because you created the account under your normal Facebook account. So you are going to automatically have access to people that are your friends on Facebook. So they will give you an option to either share on Facebook or on WhatsApp. So when you click share to all, if you have 5,000 friends, 4,000 friends, 3,000 friends on Facebook, they are going to get the notification of you inviting them to like your page. And then people will get to like your page, follow you, and that is the first step. The second step is for you to start posting your content on that page. What do I mean by content? Like if you're a caterer, you can post videos of all your bakings. If you are a fashion designer, you make nice clothes, any design, you can post it on your page. You can make short videos on the clothes you have made. People can just view them, comment, like. Some people can start chatting with you there. I like this one, can you make this for me? By so doing, you are engaging people on your channel. That's engagement, because it's very important. Before you be monetized, they need engagement. That's people liking and commenting on your post. If you are a business woman or man, post your items there, post whatever you are selling there. If you are a furniture man, post the pictures of the furnitures of that you have made. If you are selling clothes, slippers, anything you are selling, just snap them, always post, and people will like and comment, and they can even ask you how much you are selling, your address, where can we locate you, do you do delivery, stuff like that. When you are having people chat or dropping comments on any content you posted, and liking any content you posted is an engagement, and it's very important, because one of the qualification is having 1,000 followers and 15,000 engagements, right? And the other one, you have to have 10,000 followers and 30,000 1 minute view of any 3 minute video you posted. So these are the criterias that requires you to be monetized. So this Christmas season, if you are selling clothes, post it. Shoe, post it. Hairs, jewelries, anything, create a page, advertise your business, advertise yourself, advertise whatever you are doing on your Facebook page, and you are going to be earning by doing so. Right? So guys, this is real. So if you don't know about it, I've told you now. You need to create a page, and if you already have a page and you're not posting any content, start posting today. The way we are very active on our normal page, do the same. Keep posting on daily basis. You can even have 3 contents. You can even post twice, once a day, 2 times, 3 times a day. Just keep making that page to be active. Yes. So if you are confused on anything, if there's something you want me to talk about, or anything you are not clarified on, just drop your comments at the comment section. I'm going to make a video to clarify you. So guys, that's all I have for today. If you would want me to do video on anything, please go ahead and drop it at the comment section below, and I promise to come up with the answer. Thank you so much guys for watching till the end. See you in my next video. Bye guys.